Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of barley, ancient grain that's been treasured for its nourishing qualities throughout history. Get ready to embark on a journey of nourishment and well-being as we uncover the amazing health benefits of barley, a true superfood that has stood the test of time. So, if you're curious to discover how this ancient grain can transform your health, stay tuned. You won't want to miss a single grain of knowledge. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's get started on this flavorful and nourishing journey together. Let's begin with heart health. Barley is a heart's best friend. Its high soluble fiber content helps lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. Additionally, its potassium content helps maintain optimal blood pressure, further promoting heart health. Barley's abundant fiber content works wonders for our digestive system. Fiber adds bulk to our stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It also feeds our beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a balanced and thriving gut microbiome, which is essential for a healthy digestive tract. Let's give a round of applause to barley's fiber. It keeps our gut happy and healthy, making it easier to absorb nutrients from our food. For those of you managing your blood sugar levels, listen up. Barley has a low glycemic index, which means it causes a slow and gradual rise in blood sugar levels, avoiding sudden spikes. The fiber in barley also slows down the absorption of sugars, further helping to keep blood sugar levels stable and reducing the risk of diabetes. Raise your hand if you're looking to maintain a healthy weight. All right, let's focus on the amazing weight management benefits of barley. When it comes to shedding those extra pounds or maintaining a healthy weight, barley is a true champion. Here's how it works. Barley is a fiber-rich grain, and as it enters our digestive system, it expands and absorbs water, creating a sense of fullness and satisfaction. This feeling of satiety helps curb our appetite, reducing the urge to overeat or indulge in unhealthy snacks. The complex carbohydrates in barley provide a slow and steady release of energy. Unlike refined grains or sugary foods that cause energy spikes and crashes, barley's sustained energy keeps us feeling energized and focused throughout the day. This helps us stay active and motivated, supporting our weight management goals. Barley is naturally low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those aiming to cut back on calorie intake. As we enjoy barley-based meals, we can savor the deliciousness without worrying about excess calories. Besides being rich in fiber, barley also contains a decent amount of protein. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance and repair, and it helps us feel fuller for longer, reducing the desire to snack between meals. Studies have shown that the soluble fiber in barley may specifically target belly fat. This stubborn fat around the midsection is not only aesthetically concerning but also linked to increased health risks. Including barley in our diet can aid in reducing this visceral fat, contributing to a healthier body composition. Stable blood sugar levels play a crucial role in weight management. Barley's low glycemic index ensures that it releases glucose into the bloodstream gradually, preventing rapid spikes and crashes. Balanced blood sugar levels help control hunger and reduce the likelihood of overeating. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Let's talk about the building blocks of our bones. Barley contains essential minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium, which play a crucial role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. By incorporating barley into our diet, we're giving our bones the nutrients they need to stay sturdy and resilient. What's more, it's time to boost our defenses. Barley is loaded with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, zinc, and selenium, which support a robust immune system. A strong immune system helps protect us from infections and illnesses, ensuring we stay healthy and active. Let's talk about that radiant glow. Barley is rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and selenium, which neutralize harmful free radicals and protect our skin from oxidative stress. By nourishing our skin from within, barley helps maintain a healthy complexion and supports overall skin health. Hey, let's not forget about brain health. Our brains need nourishment too. Barley contains B vitamins, including thiamine and niacin, which are essential for cognitive function and brain health. These vitamins play a vital role in energy metabolism and help support memory, focus, and mental alertness. So, let's raise a toast to the extraordinary health benefits of barley and make it a delightful addition to our meals. From soups and salads to comforting bowls and more, let's embrace the nourishing wonders of this ancient grain for a healthier and happier life. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.